Hello everybody, I'm Scotty. Welcome back to Scotty's Clock World. Before we start removing parts from the movement, we'll have a look at this lever here. It has 4 positions on it. 1, 2, 3, 4. That lever moves this drum here. As you can see, when it moves that cylinder, and by doing that it changes the different melodies that will play. There's 4 sections in it and one of them will be silent, so you can turn it off. The way you'd buy a triple chime clock and then turn the melodies off, I don't know, but there it is. Right, we'll start off by removing this spring here that holds tension on that drum with the pins on it as it moves up and down. Right, I've got a 6mm spanner here, so that will fit. Well, it did when I tried it out before. Not going to fit. Alright. Right, we're back with the 5.5mm spanner. We'll see if that'll make a difference. That one fits. Unscrew that nut. Take it off. And the little spring that it holds down. Take that off. Now we can take the next piece off and do the nut. Down there. Got another one at the front. That needs a 5mm spanner. 4.5 it is. Get that in there, take that nut off, them in there. Oh, it's another one down underneath it, it's double nut. And that looks like it's another size. 5.5, looks like we're going to need a 6 after all. Dear oh dear. Alright, 6mm, that'll do us nicely. Now, very carefully lift up that plate. Caught there, I think. Yep. Wiggle it and lift it up. Give that a little bit of assistance. It's looking better, and off it comes. What we'll do now is we'll undo the link on the hammer rod. Well, more a wire, doesn't look much like a rod actually, but see if we can get and pull that up a bit, and that should then just slide out. And back a little bit more yet. Now, there we go. That's got that out. Now we'll look at the drum. See if the drum comes out. See if there's anything else holding it in the other end. Nope. That drum should just pull straight out. And it does. There we go. Right, next we'll take the hammers off. And is that. And that's held on there. I wonder if that's. No, it didn't appear to be screwed on there. Wait a minute, that's. It is moving round, but whether it's screwed on or just rotating, it might just be a washer. Nope, doesn't appear to lift up. Oh, it's got a nut on the other end. Maybe that, yeah, maybe that comes out as the whole piece. There's a nut there that you can see. Maybe if we undo that, the whole piece will come out and then the hammers will fall out. I think that's what we've got to do. Right, we'll undo this nut here. That'll come off pretty easily. Get another tray to put it in so we keep all our parts separate. Drum goes there. Take that nut off. Then turn the movement over. Now I think that comes out in one piece now. We'll give that a little bit of attention down this end with a pair of pliers. A little bit of pressure to... Nope, it's not. That has to come out there. Those pieces on the end are coming off that we looked at before and we weren't quite sure about. Alright, I'll take that piece off. I assume it does come off. Everything's all pretty tight on this movement. Yeah, it's moving. Comes off. There's another ferrule in there. I'll see if that may slide up. Yep, that comes off. A spacer for all the hammers. Take that off. And then the hammers will come off, which will lie down here. And each one has got a spacer between it. That one. That's its spacer. Take these off one at a time, lie them down. Move the spacer over, it's a bit easier to get at. And that one. And the next one. Glad there's only 8 of these things. We're getting there though. Then we'll put the nut back on the other end because that didn't have any effect on getting rid of these parts. Right, there's all our hammers off. Now Wind that piece back into where it was. Push that up. And find our nut that goes onto there. Which is that one. Once we get a start on it. There we go. I'll tighten that down now. One of our large selection of spanners. I don't know which of that one. 6mm. Alright, that's now tightened down. That'll do us for a moment. I'll move these hammers out of the way, then we'll come back. If you want to learn how to service, repair and restore 19th and 20th century mechanical clocks, then subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell.